Hi, I'm John Waconda. I'm from the Pueblo of Isleta in New Mexico. I work for the Nature Conservancy in New Mexico as the Indigenous Partnerships Program Director. This tragedy has actually been, in some aspects, a blessing to allow people to come together and work closer together and being able to connect in better, stronger relationships, create partnerships, allow the tribe to recognize and realize that they're not alone, that they have partners that they can rely on, that there are sources of funding that they weren't aware of before, that now have come together and it's all helping. We have a network, we have a directory, we have people who are doing certain aspects of this work, whether it's focused on wildlife, forestry, grasses, invasive species. There are specialists in each of these disciplines that come together, that can come together. That is a shared value, not just among tribal people, but all people of all types. We come to each other's assistance when we need to, and partnerships is a way of doing that. And we can do that in other places. We need to do that in other places, come together.